Just a quick answer to the question on how to insert a hyperlink in Blackboard. So I'm going to answer it here, and you can feel free to share it with everyone or not, and that can be your little magic secret. So you can see I have a hyperlink right here, but when I click on it, it doesn't do anything, nor is it blue or underlined or any of those traditional trademark click here, this will open in a web page type thing. And definitely the answer, if you know HTML, would be to add the reference code around it. But if you're not familiar with HTML, here's how you do it without having to mess with the code. Step 1. Paste your hyperlink. It's going to look just like this. It's not going to look like anything fancy or actually act like a hyperlink. Step 2. Highlight your link and then come up to this Insert Edit Link button in the second row of your text editor. I call them the handcuffs, okay? So I'm going to click on the handcuff link, and then I'm going to paste the URL, or I can paste in text or whatever I want to here. This is what's going to go to the link. When it comes to the target, the default is to open in this window or frame. We want to use the drop down to in a new window. And what that does is that when I click on that link, it will open up in a new tab rather than taking over my Blackboard and showing just that. If that way if a student X's out of it, then they have to relog into Blackboard. So we like it to be open in a new window. And then I just click the insert button. Ta-da! There is my link. I can click submit, and here is my active hyperlink. And when I move this window up and I click on it, there is my link. My Blackboard is still open, so my students can now bounce back and forth between what you're asking them to read and particularly like an assignment, in this case a discussion board, that they can reference back and forth without having to relog into Blackboard or minimize or maximize or have multiple windows open, because that's annoying. I hope that helps, and like I said, feel free to pass it on or keep it to yourself, but now you have a magic wand in your arsenal to create hyperlinks in Blackboard.